Tango Daniel Tabel au ngoni buno le bun rekichi no come dul ni ko meta do varro ka sa do mai da varro da ko va buno kin no ko me ni ko me dul kin ni ko au va vini au krenga vi kim ni le ni bono ni oni varro ngolenga me kuno ndeo tal chu na matembo ka nga sa to leo man matito menda mai dulan na meron datong makina dado warong mendanda lokta makina o kreo lang na ni do warong ni ngole mai me kunin dia listal chigon mai na matembo na value.
In the morning it was quite crowded, but when it was announced the certain area, then it was it was controlled, and we were happy that we were at distance and everything was okay. I heard much about this that very much side effects, so I came over for it. I want to vaccine because it is good for us.
Tungan ko balik Pinoy. May matagal like kami sa dulaw tingo dire tutur ko mon tapang. Ya sini bakal no vidul lang ako kanto na tungan na vidul lang ko. May utang ko sa iya telay ni bal. Oh, be tangan ko no ko basi gini ko. Membala tan sa tambulo tungo no mo la ako na kan business ito tuno yo kan. Santa songla ti bakal lebu ni sa. Ko ento na voltar na may nakatunan ka ngo. Kini karua ko titing may na ministry bulan may laka merenda bolu tekin na mati. So tala baka sa mitiko au silwa mo dan yung kaya ng tamat. Yo be bande singain sa tungang ko nang sa len laka me muri menda raw kini bolu tan mati ko. Naku ker tungain yung si kima mi sugar na tiwi kini ko. Muni na ba ko ko. Di almo tosar muni na muria ng salundon nga muni muria. Orang kun tahu kina namun bilang kaki wajiko kira nomulen bubale kira rabol keciko.
I think this vaccine is very good because having this vaccine is our protection, especially in the front line, no? Like that, some of the sick people, it's very good to have it. Advice is to have a vaccine. It's not dangerous because the virus is spreading all over, so it's good to have a vaccine.